UFlex is India's largest multinational company for flexible packaging solutions. Founded in 1985, the company operates worldwide with locations across the globe, supporting leading brand with high-quality packaging that preserves freshness and extends shelf life, driven by innovation, quality, and customer trust. UFlex has grown into a multi-billion-dollar leader in the global packaging industry. It started way back sometime in 96. We are talking to a negotiating for a line in India. 2001, we again started. And 2002, we put the first line in India. And now we have multiple machines and multiple locations. Brückner is a very respectful, sizable company. In fact, in the film industry right now, or even since beginning, I will say only two players are there. And in the polypropylene side, Brückner is having an advanced system. We also gave breakthrough to Brückner in PET in Europe now. So I believe that first PET line was taken by us in Europe. They given them a big word. After that, we have taken second line also in Poland. But we have a sizable number of machines, standing partners for the business loans. I believe that always we are in touch for many innovative ones also. I met on Sunday Mr. Marcus. No, he was here. Came for the Blast India show. And then I was in the office. He came and we discussed various projects with him. It's a good relationship. There are only two filmmakers in the world, and both happen to be German. Brückner has got an advantage. They have done a lot of work on polypropylene in film. They are very strong.